Okay, I'm starting to take a footage.
Wait, I need to wait up. Are you recording?
Not yet. Yeah, my head camera is recording.
Oh. Wow, that was... Hello. 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 Smell my butt.
No, not yet. It's not yet recording.
Not yet, only.
Hmm.
Hope this recording.
Not yet.
I want to see my face. You see my face?
Not yet. It's windy, still windy. Move back. Okay, no, not yet. It's dark. It's like it's rain. The rain.
You see my foot?
Yeah. I'm going to take a.
Alicia, let the drone see your foot.
Okay. Move back, move back. Aisha,
Move back, back.
I'm going to start. Okay, here we go.
It's gonna fly.
Hmm. Now recording. Look, there's an airplane. Here we are, Andy. I'm recording.
Can you see me?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh! Oh!
I'm going to make it fly around us.
Okay.
Let's go here. Look. Here we go.
The drone is
Let's stop the recording. Circle. Let's see around if there's no. Okay, circle. Circle. The aircraft will rotate automatically with its current position as the center of the circle. Next. Here. Okay. Here we are. Okay. Start. It's recording. Look.
It's circling around us!
Yeah.
Oh my god, hi, I'm your #1 fan.
It's going around. Very nice.
Nice. Can I see? Whoa.
It's flying around us.
Oh my god, hi, I'm your #1 fan. Why are you thinking?
Nice. That's a circle. Quick shot.
That's a full circle.
Yeah, full circle. Yeah, right.
That's a 360.
Yeah, it's a 360. Wow, 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 wow. It stopped. Nice. Okay, there's another one. Boomerang. Or maybe, yeah, boomerang. Boomerang.
I'm gonna make a
Boomerang.
Boomerang. I got a one. Ooh. I want to see. I want to see.
Okay.
Focus on the target.
Yeah. Okay, maybe here.
Oh.
Okay. It's starting to...
You spin me right round, baby. Right round, and the record, baby. Round.
Boomerang. Is this a boomerang, right? Look at the rain clouds.
So a boomerang is basically like a video that repeats all over and over again.
Yeah.
But you can make the video.
Mm.
Hello! Something from Thailand that I learned from the book.
Look, it's turning. It's like a circle. It's almost the same as the circle. Yeah. Almost the same. It's almost the same. Boomerang. Saving the video. Okay, done. Next. We still have next. Rocket. Let's have a rocket. Too close. Rocket. Or maybe here. Hey, going to have a rocket. Start next. Rocket. Let's do the rocket. Flight height. Flight height. I'll make it only 29. The limit is 29 meters. Okay, start. Okay, this is the rocket. Nice. Yeah, in my head camera.
Are you going to post it?
Hmm. Nice, it's done. It's gonna be back to its takeoff point, its initial position. Yeah. Yeah. Why? Why it's not coming down? It's not coming back to its initial position. You have to adjust it manually. You have to pull it down. Weird. It did not come back to its initial position. That's weird. Anyway, okay, that was the rocket. Next quick shot is Dronie, right? Okay, flight radius maybe 40. Next, okay, start. Okay, that's Dronie. 40 meters. Okay, saving video. Okay, nice. You come back here. It's coming back or not?
Yeah.
No, it's not coming back. It's coming back?
Yeah.
I think not. You have to...
This is an optical illusion.
You have to... do it manually, yeah. You have to do it manually, you're right. Oh my gosh. Anyway, another one. It's Helix. Next.
Alright, show us what you've got.
Okay, Helix. I don't know Helix, okay? Let's start Helix. Helix. That is Helix. We're out of focus. Out of focus. Very slow. You get inside the tricycle because we're going to make the drone follow us. Oh, it's out of focus. You cannot be able to adjust the camera angle. We're out of focus. Out of focus. It's done. It's out of focus. You have to.
Here comes Karen.
We have to do it manually. Next is follow me
Follow me.
or follow us. Oh, go to the go inside because we're going to let the drone follow us. Yeah, yeah. We will let the drone follow us.
Yeah, don't follow us. Which one I sit? Thank you.
We will let the drone follow us.
Alright, don't follow us because we're going back home.
I just teach, it will not train. Okay. So we are inside of the tricycle and we will do the follow.
Follow the person.
Yeah.
See the
Waypoints. We did not
person.
did the. We didn't do the. Was that the?
You have to do it manually.
We did not do the waypoints.
Waypoint.
We had to. Okay. Start.
Stop.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. What happened? Wait. Let the record. Follow me. Tulong. Okay. Why? Start. Let's try. If the drone will follow us. Is it working?
It's kind of working.
It's working? No. Why?
I don't know.
Follow. Follow, come on. What's that noise? Oh. Wait, it's following us now? No, it's not.
Wait. You can't believe us. Are you? Hello.
Yeah, it's following. It's doing its job. It's working. It's working. It's working. Only that looks like it's going to have a very heavy rain. Where is it? Where is the drone, Andy? It's following us. It's following us. What is it? It's crazy. Why? What's that sound? Oh, it's weird. It's having a weird movement. Look. We're lost. No, I mean the focus. Let's have another try. Where is the drone? Still following us? The drone? Can you see it? It's like a wild bird. Okay, we have 36% battery. I think that's it. Okay, that's it. We're going to take a photo. Still have 31% battery. Let's take a picture. Andy, wave your hand.
The cows are scared.
Yeah.
The cows are freaking out.
Okay.
The cows say goodbye. Goodbye. Never mind.
Huh? Huh? Yeah, we will go na. We're just going to go home, yeah. Very strong wind. Very strong wind. Time's up. Hey, what are you doing? I think we have to hurry up because the rain is almost on the way.
It's almost here.
I can feel the cold air. It's a sign that the rain is almost here.
The rain is almost here. It's
Yeah.
windy. It's fire. No. There's a plane.
We have to hurry up. We have to double time because it's almost here. Yeah, you sleepy, Alicia.
What day is it?
Today, Saturday. Today, Saturday.
I want it to be Sunday and make it rain so that I can,
Why?
so that I can sing lemon.
Hmm.